In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the sidebar in Firefox in just a few simple steps. If you've opened Firefox and the sidebar is taking up extra space on the left side of your screen, this quick fix will help you turn it off and get a cleaner browsing experience. Whether you accidentally enabled it or just want more room for your tabs and web pages, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the menu button in the top right corner. It usually looks like three horizontal lines. Click on that menu to open the main Firefox options. From here, you'll see a list of settings and tools available in the browser. Next, click on Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page, where you can adjust different parts of the browser to match your preferences. On this page, you'll see a number of categories on the left-hand side or across the top, depending on your version of Firefox. Now, find and click Tabs and Browsing. This section controls how Firefox handles tabs, browsing behavior, and some layout options. Once you're inside this area, look for the option that says Show Sidebar. If the sidebar is currently visible in your browser, this option is likely turned on. To remove the sidebar, simply untick Show Sidebar. As soon as you uncheck that box, Firefox should hide the sidebar right away. You'll notice the left side of the browser becomes cleaner and you'll have more space for your web pages and tabs. This is especially useful if you want a more minimal browsing setup or if you accidentally turned the sidebar on and want to disable it quickly. If you ever want the sidebar back later, you can follow the same steps and tick the option again. That makes this setting easy to toggle on or off whenever you need it. And that's it. You've now removed the sidebar in Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your browser looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple browser tips, software tutorials, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.